Where is innovation taking your business? Do you have the expertise to get there fast? Rompa Group is your trusted partner in manufacturing. For components, sub-assemblies, or finished goods. Rompa has the passion, precision, and processes to exceed your expectations. That's why the world's leading brands rely on us. Our experts save you time, money, and reduce waste. With global factories, we're always close to you. At Rompa, we don't just mold your parts. We engineer you a better solution.